Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Ashis Biswas, an assistant teacher of mathematics in National Ideal English Version School, morning shift. Today I am going to take a math class for the student of class 6. Our today's topic is exercise 1.6. In exercise 1.6, we shall solve the odd problem, which is number 22, and 22 is your CW and this is your SW also. My dear students, today is our lecture number 14 of annual term, and today SW number will be 13. Okay, so let us start our class. My dear students, before starting our class, at first open your book, math book. In your math book, open page number 43. In 43, we shall solve question number 22. My dear students, I have already written the question number 22 in board. So, I close this book and you must open your book. My dear students, at first read the question. 0.15 part of the total length of a bamboo is in mud and 0.65 part is in water. If the length of the bamboo above water is 4 meter, what is the length of the whole bamboo? My dear students, before starting to solve this math, at first you make a plan how to solve this math. For your better understand, I have drawn a figure. Do you notice this? Here this is a bamboo. My dear student, this is a bamboo. And this is water, this is mud, and this is above water. From the questions we have noticed that 0.15 part of the total length of the bamboo is in mud. So this is mud. In mud, the portion of the bamboo is 0.515 part. Okay, and in water, the portion of the bamboo is 0.65 part, but above water the part is not given, but the length of the above part is given. So we need to find out the part above water is what. So how can, this is above water, this is water, and this is mud. My dear students, we consider first the total length of the bamboo is 1 part. Then we add the part which is in water and which is in mud. After that we get a result. Then we subtract that result from 1 and we get the amount of portion above water. My dear student, that time above water portion and this is length of the above water portion. So these are same. So we can set this portion equal to 4 meter. Therefore, the whole length 1 portion equal to how many meter? And this is our today's math. I hope you have understood how to solve this math. So let us start our math. Solution. Given that in mud of a bamboo is 0.15 part and in water of a bamboo is 0.65 part. Now we find the total amount of portion which is in mud and water. Now you write, now the total portion which is in mud and water is. 0.15 plus 0.65 part. My dear students, now I add these two number. Here 5, it will be 10 carrying 1. 6, 1, 7 and that carrying 1 it will be 8. And this point is here and 0 is here. So 0.8 part. I hope you have understood. Now we find out the portion which is in above water. Okay. Before starting, at first we consider, that means let the total portion of the bamboo is 1 part. Now the portion above water is water is 1 minus 0.80 part. My dear students, 1 minus 0.80 part. How can we subtract? My dear students, here you notice 1.00 means 1 and 0.80 means 0.80. Now we subtract 0 to 0, it will be 0, 8 to 10, it will be 2. After 1 is already 0 and it will be 1. 1 minus 1, it will be 0. So 0.20 part. 0.20 part. I hope you have understood this portion. Now you notice above water the portion of the bamboo is 0.20 part. My dear student, notice this 0.20 part and this 4 meter are same. I repeat, this 0.20 part which is above water and length of the bamboo is 4 meter which is in above water. So both are same. So from this figure we can write .20 part equal to 4 meter. We need to find out the length of the whole bamboo. We have already considered that the total portion of the bamboo is 1 part. Now we find out 1 part equal to what? Okay. Next we divide 4 by this 0.20 meter. My dear student, notice 4 divided by, if I write this number as fraction, then at first write 20, then for this point I give here 1, and after point there is 2 digit, 2 and 0. For this 2 digit I give here 20. Now meter is here. After that I reverse, that means 4 multiply, thus this fraction will be reversed, that means 100 by 20. Now we cut this 100 by 20 and it will be 5. 5 and 4 are left. So 5 4s are 20 meter. My dear students, 20 meter is the required length of the whole bamboo. I hope you have understood, and this is the answer. You must write answer after solving your problem. My dear students, I hope you have understood my today's lecture. Okay, before starting to solve this math, at first you consider this figure in your mind. After that you make a plan how to solve this math. Then you start to solve this math. Then it will be easier for you. In your answer you need not to draw this figure. My dear students, I repeat, in our solution we need not to pick up this figure in your answer. So you consider in your mind this figure. Okay, so I erase this, and this is the whole math. My dear students, this is my today's lecture. I hope you have understood my today's lecture, and this is your SW also. You have already known the importance of SW already. because based on your SW, diary marks, city marks and SBM marks will be given. So you must do your SI and SW in your SW copy regularly and submit it regularly in our school library by your parents or any other person. Your parents or any other person can submit your SW in our school library every Sunday within 8 AM to 4 PM, and you collect it by completing 1 week. That means you collect the SW copy next Sunday. My dear students, your each SW carries 2.50 marks. So you must do your SW. Keep practicing at home, abide by your parents. See you soon. Till then, Assalamu alaikum.